Yeah, we're at the biggest waterfall in Rayong.
Yeah
And let's go.
yeah ไหนฝรั่งพูดชัด
Khao Chamao. But not cha-cha, we're not going slowly, go fast. Waterfall has 7 layers. They said it's 2 kilometers total, but we'll see how long it takes us. But so we know our checkpoints. We're trying just the first checkpoint. We at the first checkpoint. So far easy, all paved.
ๆว่ายด้วยสิ
This is the real start, the real beginning. The shrine, the first checkpoint was not the checkpoint. This is the first checkpoint. Let's go. All the fish. They were quite high, super high. Super nice though. Can I be Tarzan?
ไม่
I think no.
I don't want to be withdraw
Like kind of like the redwood forest, the redwood trees in America. This one's huge. Quite
โอ้
cool.
นี่ไง
How old?
250 years old
250 years old?
yeah
Wow.
even first level is steep not easy
Easy.
ล่ะ easy go run ไม่ใช่
We have no.
งู
No.
เออ
Green pit viper. But actually, dry season right now, so we don't have to worry about floods. But snakes, maybe.
น่ากลัวเลยอะนี่จริงด้วยว่ะ just first level อยู่เลย
Yeah, this is the first level. Yeah, we're at the first level, so we'll check it out, the little water here, and we'll go to the second.
โอ้ยถ้า
It says
have
the
water
is 2 meters,
โอ้
but right now, because the dry season, I don't think it's 2 meters.
yeah
I'm not supposed to play. Oh, look at the fish, there are a lot of fish.
they said ว่า have they call ปลาพวง the signature here
Blah, boom,
พรวง
plum,
พรวงจ้ะ
blah, plum. Oh, yeah, so many right here. And nice. This is kind of cool, all right? So many.
เยอะมากเลยอ่ะ
I wonder if I can be like the movies where I can stick my hand and catch one and grab it. Probably not. This guy's big.
ที่วันที่ใส่ไม่ดี
Yeah, they're not really scared though. Look, there's so many of them.
anything out there มีไหม
Small ones here too, but not really. It's weird that the fish just stay there. Rainy season be crazy. All the water during rainy season might be tight.
น้ำตก it's called น้ำตก
Namtok. The next level's up, right?
yeah
We'll check this one and then we'll come up.
what is that อ่ะ
About the nature trail that way.
Ah.
On the other side of the bridge. But my wife is not happy. We got stairs. And quite steep too. You can see from right here. Dragon ball.
ไปเลย
You know?
นี่ not level 3 yet oh my god
Well, no, we're technically level 3.
เหรอ
Oh, you're right.
ไป go 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 go
There we go. Bear crawled it. Yeah, we had level 3, but luckily level 4 is only 100-meter away, so not so bad. It's nice, but because it's like we're like halfway through dry season right now, so it's like the water's not rushing, which means it's not as dangerous. But yeah, it's still quite nice. It's fine because it's 6 meters in that
อ่ะอย่า
pond.
อันตรายอ่ะ dangerous มาก ห้ามนะ
I want to climb so bad. I want to climb right here. Anytime I see a sign that says "Don't do it," it makes me want to do it.
นั่นไง they have the staff over there
But that looks cool. It's like closed here and then there. But imagine if it was like full rainy season. It would be like, it would be crazy if it was rainy season.
let's go have the way to go the another level เหรอ
Yeah. Yeah. Hulk side, the last one. But we're gonna check out this one over here. Or this side. Oh, it's 2. Can you go down here and check it out with the rope, and then there's rope up there as well.
can you go by yourself อ่ะ
No, you come with me.
อุ้ย that is so skinny rope อ่ะ you go เถอะ
Here, down here.
ไม่เอาไอ้ไม่ไป
Let's go.
I'm not strong enough go 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 you go maybe you have to walk by your butt หรือเปล่านั่นล่ะ
No, come, walk on your butt.
ไม่เอา
I'm joking about being steep cliffs because the trail is super narrow and skinny, but if you fall off, it really is quite steep down there. Check it out. Sis. I don't know if they can see the angle from the camera, but it is quite steep.
ระวังเฮ้ย ระวัง is break your hand นะ
I don't think we missed much. It's okay. Oh wow.
เห็นไหม นี่
And my
เอ้ย ได้ไหม
ready to come?
เออ
You did it. Oh, wifey's turn. They put the ropes there to help people out, but you can see the construction.
Babe, get back. Dangerous. Babe, come back.
Wow. The rocks are a little bit crazy to get down there, but that was probably the best view so far. That was cool. We go through here?
ไม่
Or Hulk side?
6 สายเลยยูจะ cut through here เหรอ
That road.
Your backpack อ่ะ
It's like cool. Like down, 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 down. It's like an obstacle course. Huh.
Babe, this way ดิ เนี่ย this you walk with your butt crazy มาก บอกให้มาง่ายๆไม่เอา
That was fun though.